Hello everyone, and welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you a Tablescape collaboration. This is an English High Tea Tablescape hosted by Grandma Sandy, co-host Glamour Ellen, as well as Ants Place. Now, these ladies wanted us to please be subscribed to their channels. Put the links of their channels in your description box. Title your video English High Tea Tablescape. And if you prepare any food or do any DIYs, please make a separate video. Kindly keep your video under 6 minutes and put the hashtag English High Tea 20 and add your video to the playlist. Now, here is my tablescape, so please sit back and enjoy. Now that you all have took a look at my table, I want to share just a few items that we prepared. We made some pinwheels, some pizza bites, and finger sandwiches. My table setting is all Goodwill finds. My plates, my charger plates are Goodwill. My napkins are eFavorMart. My placemat is from Target. You all have seen my gold silverware from Hobby Lobby. My tablecloth is from Walmart. It's actually a piece of fabric in the navy blue. And then I have a light blue piece of fabric, lace fabric, that's overlaid over the table. I want to say thank you to everyone for coming over and checking out my video. I also want to thank Grandma Sandy, Glamour Ellen, and Ants Place for hosting this awesome English High Tea Tablescape. Please go over to the playlist and check out all of the other participants' video. Please continue to be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you guys in my next video.